Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can turn on and set up FaceTime on iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your settings on your mobile phone. Once you tap on the settings, you'll be appear with the mobile phone setting. Now scroll all the way down and go ahead and tap on FaceTime, and in here you can see FaceTime is turned off. You can simply enable it just by tapping on it. Now wait for a second or minute. So once it's enabled, the user face will go like this. You'll be able to see your primary or secondary number. You can use the whichever number you like. Now go back to the home page or home screen and open our FaceTime application. And when you open the app, you can see all the calls here. So in order to call, you can just go ahead and tap on the person or contact that you want to call, and you'll be good to go. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can turn on and set up FaceTime on iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.